Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm just making some slime, and you know I love slime. I love making it, and I have this special ingredient slime at the end. I actually am cooking it, and it's from a different slime smoothie. You might have not seen it, but this is probably your first time seeing it today on my channel right now. So, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making a couple of different slimes for a slime smoothie. And I got my shaving cream, my glue. Still have a lot of here. And then this is my Tide. It's in this soap bottle thing. But I'm going to need a lot more. Oh God, I can barely open this. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, there I got it. So I'm going to pour some in, just a little bit. Maybe like that much. It's a special ingredient for the end of this slime smoothie. And well, it's not special really, but it's going to be my special ingredient. This one's going to be fluffy slime. So this smoothie cream is a little bit liquidy, but it still works. Okay, it's liquidy, but I don't care because it's fine because I always have to deal with liquidy slime. Okay, so making my mixing tool, it's gonna be this, and I need to find it over here, wherever I put it. I'm just gonna use a cheap pencil. You can use anything to mix it in, but you need a bowl. Well, the bowl you don't really have to use. You can use your table. Oh my God, it smells so good. If you could smell this right now, you would be in love with it. Oh my God. I don't even have to go close to it. I can just smell it from out here. So this one's gonna be blue because I don't want to really do anything to it this time. Well, right now. Well, it's just gonna be the regular red color. It's turning into slime. It's really thick and up. Okay, so this one's just gonna be white or whatever color it turns out to be. It might turn blue because the tie is blue. This one's gonna have no glitter in it. And I have two actual special slimes to go in the end. Now I'm gonna mix with my hands. I just heard my hand a second ago falling on the ground. And yes, it did hurt a little bit. I did not. It did really hurt, so I have to be careful. So look. So this is a sign it's not really white, it's blue. So I'm just gonna say it's white. It's more white. And you can see the white. I'm gonna try to clean up the bowl. Not with not with it all in the same bowl, and might end up having to be like that. It's already been 3 minutes and sometimes seconds. 3 minutes 44 seconds and 7 or 2 milliseconds. Sorry, I'm not talking. I'm just kind of concentrate and get this one out of the bowl. Clean it. So this is what I have so far done. I'm not gonna. Okay, I'm gonna give it a little poke test. Put the bowl over here for a second. Move everything away. Let's do a poke test. Let's see. Okay, that is fluffy slime. Okay, it's a nice texture. I like it. Okay. This is it. Okay. Now I'm gonna put this to the side. Oh God. Okay. Let me just, okay. I'm just gonna put this right here. Sorry guys, it fell over. Okay, so now I'm gonna make a different one. This one's gonna be pink or red, or whatever color it turns out to be. Video camera, share each other. Oh, I found the spoon that I was looking for. So I was looking for the red cheap spoon. Now I'm gonna get my food coloring. Guys, sorry for my food colorings. The colors I'm gonna be doing, I guess. So I got this red color. It's gonna be pink though. Okay. I'm gonna grab my pencil. I'll mix it. I don't want it to be too dark. So food coloring is optional, but I'm doing this because I don't want it to be plain. I'm gonna make sure I don't say anything. Shaving cream and food coloring are optional, but you need an activator, and I'm just using Tide. Since it's nice and red, I want it a little bit lighter, so I'm gonna put a tiny bit of this shaving cream. Okay, a tiny bit lighter. That's all I want, like a pinch lighter. Okay, so this is a little bit lighter than it was. Well, it still looks okay. It still looks like a really light, dark pink or red or whatever color. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking and just make the slime and just tell you what colors I'm gonna be doing. Okay, I got my other slime. You might hear me say okay a lot, or let's move on to the next one, or hear me say the colors, but okay. This one matches my dress, and yes, I did not wear. And yes, if you think I wore this dress today at school or something, I did not. This I actually just really put on for my video because I actually spilled something on my dress, and it was a very beautiful dress. I actually got slime on it. Okay, this one's a little bit sticky. But I like the texture. Ooh! I really want to keep this one. I like, for real, seriously, want to keep this one all to myself and not like even mix it in. I feel like just keeping this. I don't want to. I'll make a new one. I just love this song. If you guys want me to do it, I'll do it, but I just really like it. I can make another one. I just like how good a bubble. Do you see how big that one was? Just with this tiny slime. Okay, let's next one. Or wherever I'm gonna make this. Got it on my hands. Oh gosh. Sorry guys, this is a little bit of a disaster. Let's turn it into a disaster. Okay. My channel, I have two slime things. Just for extra. Sorry guys. It's a little bit of this have, okay, sorry. My camera just Now this one, guess what color it's gonna be? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's purple. If you guessed purple, you're right. If you didn't, you're wrong. Sorry, I'm gonna take my string now. I need to get all the white spots of glue. So I'm gonna add a little bit more. I don't have much of this color anymore. I used all my other slimes. This isn't a popular color that I use for my slime, but I did use it for a lot of my slime. That's when my slime failed, so. So I keep making you flip over. Oh my god. There's no bad content. It's just that I'm kind of just knocking things over. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. As I said, like 1,000 times. Well, not yet because I need the activator. Sorry, the activator fell, but I'm only going to add some glitter. I'm adding some glitter in this one. So let me go and get the choice of glitter that I want real quick. So I got my 2 glitters. I got this nice orange one and this like really pretty blue. And they're bigger ones. Chunkier glitter. Because none of the other ones I put any glitter in it. So I want this one to have glitter in it. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more. Oh dang, this is sticky. Okay. Yeah, no.